All right, what do we have today? Oh, what is that? The original Prusa Mini Plus kit. Oh yeah. Oh, this is official. You can get these on my website, $19.99 plus $5.99 shipping. Stainless steel, all that awesome made in China goodness right here. And you got to have these because there's no other way to handle this job. I mean, look at this. It's just like, it's like butter. Like butter. You know, some might mistake this as a butter knife because this is so butter. But I mean, shit, it got me. That's why you get the approved tools. Now, now you can use the, if in case of injuries or cuts, you can use the approved method of just sucking the injury out and letting it scab over. But we're just gonna press on. Oh yeah, like butter. All right, let's set that approved device to the side. Let's open this bad boy. Oh man, that's that new Prusa smell emanating. It's just wafting off. It's just amazing. Look at what they do here. No expense has been spared on this air packaging. This is absolutely gorgeous. I mean, this is like a work of art. You could lay this down if you're a Tetris master. Look at this. Look at it go. It just keeps going and going and going and going. Oh man. All right. Now, let's take a look inside. Oh man. This is goodness right here. What do we got? We've got probably some kind of thank you letter from the man Joseph himself. And we've got our 3D printing handbook. And we've got a bunch of other boxes. Now, by far, this company does the best job at making sure their entire kit has been packaged so you can fully understand exactly what it is you're getting. Now, I want to pay special attention to the Haribo right here. That's going to be a mention in just another moment. But moving right along, what do we got here? We've got power cord. We've got, oh man, extrusions. We've got extrusions in plate. We have got, this heavy ass rod full of rods. It's a cardboard rod, just in case you're confused. All right, what else do we got here? Oh, this must be the mother load. This is the one that puts it all together. That's the computer. Doesn't say it is, but I know it is. How do I know? Because it is. Now, let's get in here even further. All right, let's get this out. What do we got here? The Mini Plus print head and heat bed. Niceness. Keeping this going, moving right along here. What else do we have? We've got the Mini Plus YZ and X axis in black. I love that. And then, oh, this is the heartbeat, guys. This is the nerve center, the motor kit. Don't mind the biohazard here. This is the motor kit. Brought to you from Prusa Research. Now, as we're nearing the end of the unboxing of the boxes, we're gonna meet up again in our second video for the second half of the unboxing of the unboxing. Please hit that link, like and subscribe, folks. We're gonna be back with some more fun.